Hello dear students, today I am going to explain theorem based on triangle. So it's present in your page number 54 and 55. The theorem states that, okay, in a triangle, if square of one side is equal to the sum of the square of the other two sides, then the angle opposite to the first side is a right angle. So you all know this, we have derived the theorems, Pythagoras theorem. So based on that, like we can say that it's a converse theorem of this Pythagoras theorem. So we are going to proving this. So look at these diagrams. Triangle ABC is a one triangle and PQR is another triangle. So where these two triangles angle must be 90 degree. Now you see two triangles are there. One is PQR and ABC. So let us consider the triangle PQR. You see the PQR triangles. So what we can prove this from the Pythagoras theorem. So these PR is nothing but hypotenuse, right? And these PQ is opposite. And RQ, I told you, it is nothing but adjacent side. So from the Pythagoras theorem, what we can say that, so PR square equals to what? PQ square plus what? QR square. Right? Now can we repeat it? Now PR square. So when you compare this PQ with the another triangles, what is this? PQ is must be equal to AB. Right? So PQ must be equal to AB. So then I can write it here, AB square plus this QR square. Can I write? QR square is nothing but BC square. So write BC square. Right? Now let us go for AC square is equal to, we know this is by Pythagoras theorem. From the Pythagoras theorem, AC square is equal to what? AB square plus BC square. That's what given from the triangles. Right? Now we can say that AC is nothing but PR. Understand? Because this is also similar. Now can we write AC which is equal to PR. Right? Now we can take the triangle ABC and PQR. So write in triangle ABC and triangle PQR. Okay, we can say that now. Again AB is equal to what? Is PQ. Right? Because these sides, opposite sides must be equal for similar triangles. So can we write now? So from this what? AB which is equal to PQ. Right? So this is because given by the construction. Right? Now you can see what is this? The sides of adjacent sides BC, that must be equal to QR, right? So write down. So BC that must be equal to what? QR or RQ. So you can write QR. Understand? Now next, what is the remaining part here? AC. This is at hypotenuse sides. AC that means equal to what? PR. Right now. AC equals to what? PR. This is what we need to prove now. Now from the triangle again ABC, from the triangle ABC must be equal to what? PQR. Right. So triangle ABC must be nearly equal to what? Triangle PQR. Hope you understand. Now this is what we need to prove, and the angle must be equal, right? That is what we need to prove. So from the triangle ABC PQR, what angle B is a 90 degree, right? So similarly angle Q is also 90 degree. So can we write this is as side congruence. Side congruence. Now we can take angle B from the triangle ABC. Angle B must be equal to what? Angle Q. Correct? Angle B must be equal to what? Angle Q. And then next, what we can say, what is this angle Q? Where angle Q is equal to 90 degree and angle B is equal to 90 degree. Okay, this is by construction. This is what we can say, the converse theorem of Pythagoras. Okay, so hence we prove. Now based on this we will solve the problems in the next class. Hope you understand. So let us have a recap once. So triangle says that in a triangle, if square of one side is equal to the sum of the squares of the other sides, then the angle opposite the first side is a right angle. You know, right angle is nothing but 90 degree, right? So take these two diagrams. ABC is a triangle, and PQR is another triangle. Now we know this. So PR square, that is nothing but compare these. PR square, hypotenuse square, is equal to the squares of other sides. So PQ square plus QR square, right? Similarly, now we can compare these to the triangle ABC. So write PR square is equal to, so PQ square, we can also write AB square, right? Plus RQ square, RQR square can be written as what? BC square, right? And next, we know the exact Pythagoras theorem, AC square is equal to what? AB square plus BC square, which is given. So now, from this triangle, we know hypotenuse AC is equal to what? PR. So that's what we have written. Now again you take triangle ABC and PQR, these two triangles. What? See the other sides. AB sides must be equal to PQ. Okay? And BC must be equal to what? PR. And then triangles, hence we can prove this, these triangles are nearly equal to each other by the side congruence. Now we have to prove the angle. So we see that so angle A must be equal to angle P. But now we can consider the triangles or right angles must be 90 degree. So compare this, angle B must be equal to what? Angle Q, because these two are equal. Hence we prove the converse theorem of the Pythagoras. Hope you understand, dear students. Okay, so practice it well. Thank you so much.